Do you have old photos full of scratches or folds? Today, I'll show you how to bring them back to life using AVCLabs PhotoPro AI. Let's dive in! Those precious old photos might have tears, scratches, or faded colors. With AVCLabs PhotoPro AI, you can quickly remove these flaws and restores your memories, making them look as beautiful as ever. First, open AVCLabs PhotoPro AI and import your old photo. Next, on the left panel, click the first function, Inpaint. Select the brush tool and adjust the brush size depending on the area you want to repair. Then, paint over the fold or scratch. Once you've covered the damaged area, click Apply. After a short wait, the crease is gone. Let's see the difference. The photo looks very clean now. Next, let's improve the overall quality. Select Enhance, then choose the model. If it's a portrait, I recommend turning on Face Enhancement to make facial details clearer. Now the picture looks sharper and more vivid. If you'd like to bring even more life to your photo, go to the Colorize function. Here you can choose between soft or bright styles and adjust the strength. Try different settings until you find the look you like best. And that's it! In just a few steps, we turned an old damaged photo into a clean, enhanced, and even colorful memory. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching!